it's Miranda Fox, Realtor from the Plowman team, where I have an amazing home to show you today. Actually, I've got two places. You're gonna get two in one at 96 Ontario Street in Bowmanville. I can't wait for you to check them both out. So this is unit number one. Again, it's bright, it's open, it's spacious. Look at the renovations, stone countertop, neutral flooring throughout. Up here you've got a bedroom, and you also have a bathroom with your laundry room in there. Now we're gonna head out downstairs and check what's there. This right here, it's a double brick wall. You'll never hear what's on the other side. Now this here is your living room. Yes, we're in the lower level, but look how big those windows are. The brightness is incredible down here. Now to round out this basement, we also have a lower level bedroom as well, which we'll go and check out. And this is your second bedroom. Not too shabby. What's incredible about these places is they each have their own furnace. They each have their own hydro panel and your own water meter. You don't share anything with the unit beside you. Now let's go check out that one. Now here we've got the second unit, where you're also gonna have two bedrooms, one bathroom, your kitchen, and your living room. Take a look at this. Look at how big the space is in here. You'll also notice that it's super bright and it's adjacent to the kitchen. Let's go check out the rest over here. You've got your four-piece bathroom here on my left, and we're gonna come into the dining area that overlooks the kitchen. Again, you'll notice everything is new in this place. You don't need to do anything here. That'll get you to your backyard as well. Now the upper level here hosts two bedrooms for you. They are a great size, so much so, you even got a king size bed in this one. Thanks for joining me on this tour of this incredible investment opportunity. Now, if you want to take a tour of it in person, call the number above. We're happy to help you out. And make sure to hit the subscribe button below, because I don't want you to miss out on any other incredible opportunities. We'll see you around.